Welcome to our generic crafting tutorial series. In this series, we are going to be making gathering nodes where we can walk over items, we can interact with them, we can pick them up, they're going to vanish and they're going to respawn on a timer. We're going to be able to not pick up items if we don't have the appropriate class or level. We're going to be making storage chests where we can store and retrieve items. So we have our items here, we can store items, we can retrieve items, we can do all that fun stuff. We're going to be making a bank system where we can also store and retrieve items as well as currency. So I can store my items here, I can store my currency here, and I can withdraw my currency here. We can also buy bank slots, so I have 230, now 240, now 250 bank slots. Same thing with the player slots. Pretty neato there. We're going to be making vendors, and these vendors refresh on a timer as well, so we can buy XP potions, we can buy chicken meals, right? Whatever the vendor has for sale, that's all going to be set up on a data table. We have our class givers, so this is where we pick up our class. So if we already have a class, we're not going to be able to pick it up again. I'm already a miner, right? I'm already a blacksmith. I can't pick those up. But I can come in here and I can pick up the thread spinning class, or I can pick up the forager class, all that good stuff. We have a multi-class system as well, so we can pick up as many classes as we want. Or with a simple boolean, we can make it a single class system. We also have our smithing bench here, all of our crafting benches, I should say, where we can come in and we can refine our materials and we can craft new materials and do all that fun stuff right in here inside of our smithing bench. So we're going to make the item, we're going to level up. Now I'm level 11, now I can refine, right, my next level of ingots. I have a whole bunch of those, so we can do all that fun stuff right in here, right in these smithing benches. And we also have an equipment system. So when I inspect an item, I can go ahead and equip it, and now it's going to be added to my equipment. Our equipment system, I would say, is pretty lightweight. It doesn't actually deal with stats or anything of the like. Basically just make sure that we have one slot for each equipment type. That way we have something here to show that we are equipping items. We can also use items, so I can use this chicken meal, and now I have 99 chicken meals in here. So just a few little tidbits in there. We have filtering of our inventory, all that good stuff in this tutorial series. These videos will be coming out twice weekly on Tuesday and Thursday, and this is going to run probably until about February. If you want access to all of the videos right now, you can go ahead and join my Patreon. The link is in the description. For just $3 a month, get access to all of these videos and the example project, so you can go step by step and follow along with a real guide.